Good morning. Today, let's have a look at mysoftwares.com. It's the new version 2015. First of all, I need to log in. It's actually for me is an old customer, old user. I use the same login that I have with the customer portal. Nothing changed much. But for new user, you may have to create your own software's ID. Right. Okay, let's see the new portal for mysoftwares. First of all, you have in this section you have buzz, which is all the news, contents coming from community. You have the training section where you have all the video, so you can learn yourself. You can select which class you want to attend, which lesson you want to go. Drive. This is new with 2015. We talk about later on. Manufacturing network. This is something exists for a long time. It's where you can find the people who can produce the part for you, where you can find those who has the 3D printing, who can print the part for you. 3D CAD model is a new portal that let you access to the existing 3D content central with millions of parts already exist. Some parts will come from vendors that have part that you can use it with the 3D model, but then later on you can call them and buy the parts. Forum is where you can connect to the software's community, asking questions, getting feedback from others, tips and tricks you can get from the very large 3 million users of softwares. Support is where you get support, access to support, where you can create your own service requests. And my VAR is where your own VAR can have their own section that they make it for you. So let's go quickly to Buzz. So in Buzz, you see here 2 hours ago, there's a teacher blog that posts something. There's a new YouTube 5, Become Engineering Leaders, why you should attend Softwares 2015. Softwares World today, this year will be in February from 8 to 11. It's in Phoenix, Arizona, United States. Okay, today we here just talk about a little bit of the Drive. Okay, Drive is some of your company use, or I use personally a lot of Dropbox. So now I can have a Dropbox account only for CAD, where I can put all my CAD files in this. So let's have a look at, for example, cabinet. So on this folder cabinet, I have part assembly. But this version is only part work with part and assembly. Okay, if you have like a Word document, an Excel file, you won't be it's there, you can see it, you can download it, but there's no preview. So what is good in mysoftwares.com 2015 is that you have a preview. So it actually allows the e-drawing. But the beauty of Softwares 2015, mysoftwares 2015, is that your e-drawing, you don't need any installation. I'm sorry, I talk to you and then I click something else. It didn't go to exactly where I want. Okay, here you go. So it's cloud e-drawing. No installation required. It's actually used software on the cloud. Okay, it bring in the data into the server, and then e-drawing will push the 3D graphics to your system using WebGL. So no installation of e-drawing required. It works on Windows PC, Windows 7, Windows 8. It works on Mac as well. I have my Mac Mini at home using running Mac OS. It's worked perfectly. It works also on iPhone, iPad, Android device as well. User interface is very straightforward. Okay, press press the left button to rotate it, uh, press the left button to right button to move it around, and then you can use the two finger on your touchpad to zoom in, zoom out. Okay, right. You can change a different type of display. Here you can change to the view. I want an axonometric view. You change how you want to display. You want to display shading with edge, without the edge. Okay, right. So that is this is brand new with mysoftware.com 2015. Okay, go back to browse to another model. Easy, select Dropbox on the top. This time I go to something, let's say, a little bit more complicated. Remember the whole macro? Here you go. So let me check this assembly. Okay, here we go. It's coming. Okay, that's good. Right, so you can rotate. Okay, you can get this function to explode it. Wow, how you can control how you want to explode it. Your assembly. Suppose you already have the explode view create. Okay, I'm sorry, I clicked too fast. Go back to my drive. My mouse is a little bit sensitive. Okay. Here you go. So I'm just using my touchpad, so make sure I won't click something wrong. Okay, can zoom in. Right. Okay, good. If you really want to download something, you can download it from here. Let's say if you want to share on, with Dropbox, you can share files, you can share folders. So you want to share something with your supplier, your contractors, or let's say your co-workers that has a home office. This is what you can get your Dropbox. And then you can pick up a particular folder, and on that particular folder, if you know the account or the email of the person, especially Dropbox account, you can share that folder with the person. So the person, when he go to Dropbox, open Dropbox mysoft.com, he can see the model, and then he can decide which one he can download it. Is that good? Is that beautiful? Right. So good. Now let's go to CAD model. So CAD model is now populate all the CAD model in 3D Content Central. Go to 3D Content Central, just do there. Okay. Here is actually the portal, one of the front end for 3D Content Central. Let's say I go to check whether I have any particular part, for example. Oh no. We go back to CAD model. I want a hinge, for example. Okay. So most of these hinge come from one company, with their name on the website is there, sbp.com. Right. Then let me have a look at this particular hinge, for example. So you see the usual e-drawing come up, where you can, this is only a part, so that's why I don't have the explode view icon on the bottom left of the screen. It has also this is catalog from Sierra Pacific Engineering and Products. Click on this is bring into 3D Content Central, where you can decide which file you want to download, how you want to download, which format you want to download, and if you want to buy it, just contact Sierra Pacific. Okay, so this is the mysoftwares.com version 2015. On top of this tab model, you see you can have all the training file as well. So some come along with my subscription, which is the standard My Software subscription. Some I need to have My Software professional services account, so I can get into a more complex or more complicated training, more advanced training, you would say. All right. So I hope that you enjoy with my quick presentation on mysoftwares.com version 2015. Thank you very much.